Thank you again for watching your chef Coco Cruz here on my YouTube channel. Today I can't wait to share you this recipe because it's super fantastic. Today I am going to make you some lemon drop with banana cake with some Corona Lite. Let's start cooking, yeah? Alright, so the very first thing we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to put our skillet into medium-high heat. Time to open our Corona Lite. We are going to put 6 ounces of the Corona Lite beer. And now what we're going to do is we're going to cook this for at least 3 minutes. Let this be brewed. Alright, so after that, we're gonna have to wait to put this in a boiling point. For this recipe, you're gonna have to use 4 pieces of really ripe bananas. Now, there are levels of bananas. There's 1 to 15. Mine, I really like it where it's very caramelized, very ripe to the point that it's super sweet. Let me already smush this. Again, this cake is like super fantastic, I'm gonna tell you, especially lemon with some bananas and some Corona Light beers. Can't go wrong with that. Ooh, our Corona Light beer is brewing, baby. Yeah, I always say to my Corona Light beers, I always say, hola, kamusta? I do, I love this beer. All right, so now time. It's been 4 minutes, time to add our bananas. And let this be cooked for 7 minutes. While we are waiting with our Corona Light beer and also with the ripe bananas, we are going to put some lemon zest. It's about 1 ounce of lemon zest. You can add more if you like. And you see our lemon here? I am going to slice the lemon like so, and a very thin cut for our lemon here, our fresh lemon. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna take out some seeds from our fresh lemon here. Your honey, you can see, melted honey. And I'm gonna dip that like so. You see it? All right, so we're just gonna let this be soaked. You can also use a regular brown sugar. Make sure you melt it with butter, and you can soak your lemon with that, okay? All right, let's put this aside for now. Now, after washing my hands, it has been 7 minutes, and look at that. Yum. So we're gonna turn this off. Let this cool down. Our batter is going to take beer bath from Corona Light. All right, so we're going to pour in 3 ounces of Corona Light. Now, this is 15 ounces of lemon cake mix, and we're going to add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, more fresh lemon, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and to break a little of the sweetness of what I'm making for you guys today is I am going to put a few pinches of salt, so you guys can see right here. Right? Let's put this on the side. And we have 3 pieces of large eggs. So I am going to use a fork. The reason is because I don't want too much of the air going to my cake. Put this into our mix here, and we mix this. So after mixing this for about 8 minutes, make sure there is no lumps into your cake, yeah? So let this chill, because you do not want to add this when it's hot. You want them kind of warm temperature, or cold is better. Time to cover our baking pan here with butter. As you can see, I have another skillet here. Now I had put it in a medium-high heat. I am going to put our fresh lemon like so into our skillet. We're gonna let this be cooked until they kind of turn brownish, I would say. Pour all that. Time to turn. Yes, our ripe bananas here. It has been chilled. We want to put this all into our lemon mix, and we mix this very well like so. Time to transfer our lemon drop banana cake with Corona Lite beers. So I'm gonna put half on this baking pan here and another half from this one. You guys are going to love this recipe, I'm gonna tell you. And I'm so happy I'm sharing it to you guys. And do you remember the lemons that I had seared with some honey? So I'm just gonna put that on top. All right, make sure you preheat your oven for 350 degrees and check up on that in 40 minutes. And it is done. Look at this. I'm gonna tell you, this is so sweet that once it touches your palate, you will enjoy it like an apple. Yum! Thank you again for watching your Fusion Exotic Chef here on my YouTube channel. Again, I hope you get to enjoy our lemon drop banana with some Corona Lite beers. Enjoy! And please share this to your families. Yum! Wash my hands. Wow. Yum. Let me wash my hands. Hey, but you can wipe your hands to your apron. That's what your aprons are for. Wipe your hands. Make sure you have it there. Alright. I just love cooking. I really do.